Are you looking for the best toilets in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best toilets that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Delta Foundation's 2-piece toilet. The least expensive toilet from our latest round of testing is also one of the most capable. In our lab tests, we were able to flush 21 golf balls down this Delta, reports Sharma. The 2-piecer with an elongated bowl and comfort height offers solid flushing performance, using just 1.28 gallons at a time, good enough for the EPA WaterSense label. The plain design only comes in white, but the slow-close lid is a feature usually reserved for more expensive models. And there's even a splash guard to keep liquid from getting under the tank, a common complaint with 2-piece toilets. Still, there are more crevices in the 2-piece design, so keeping the exterior clean will take extra work, and the bowl is susceptible to stains and water scale. Moving on at number 4. We have the Woodbridge Smart Toilet. We recommend the Woodbridge Smart Bidet Toilet for those who want a unit with a few additional features. We found that installing this toilet was fairly simple. While it's shaped differently than classic toilets, the directions and installation process were straightforward. Note that the toilet needs access to an outlet for all the special features to function, so plan accordingly. The toilet has several features, including dual flush, auto open and close, auto flush, front and rear wash features on the bidet, and a dryer function. The bidet features all have adjustable temperatures and positions and a remote. If you're hesitant to upgrade to a bidet toilet because of the increased water theory, don't be. Even after testing this toilet for 3 months, we haven't noticed a difference in water consumption or our water bill. The toilet also includes a foam shield cleaning function and auto deodorization. But note that the auto clean requires a separate purchase of the cleaning solution, which is totally worth it. We purchased the foaming cleanser, released from a special compartment within the toilet with just a button on the remote. This smart toilet also self-cleans regularly. We loved all the features and found they worked well, were quite comfortable, and easy to customize. Our only critique was that auto close and open was quite sensitive, so if you walk by your toilet to access the rest of your bathroom, it'll likely be activated. At number 3, we have the Toto Drake Cotton Elongated Standard Height Toilet. After testing the best performing toilets for 3 months, the Toto Drake Elongated Standard Height 2-piece toilet is still our top pick. We didn't notice any clogging or overflowing issues. Our water bill and consumption have been reduced since replacing our water-guzzling toilet. The Toto Drake is self-cleaning, has a consistent flush capacity, and is a money saver. The toilet's universal height is a bit taller than a standard toilet, so some people may find sitting up and down easier and more comfortable. The toilet is crafted with an elongated bowl, comes in 2 pieces, and has a gravity flush. Prior to testing this model, we had a toilet that clogged frequently and often required a double flush. Such was not the case with this option, and we were impressed by the robust and single flush. We had this toilet installed by a professional plumber. Still, the plumber found it a seamless installation process and noted that the directions were apparent, thorough, and easy to follow. The flush swirls in a tornado pattern, starting at the top of the bowl and circling down the entire bowl during each flush. This movement ensures the flushing water removes all debris and cleans the toilet bowl during every flush. We liked how effective this technology was and felt we had to clean the toilet much less frequently than with our previous model. At number 2, we have the Kohler Highline Classic Toilet. The Kohler Highline Elongated Toilet is our favorite 2-piece toilet. While testing for months, we found this model to be efficient and appreciated its ease of installation. 2-piece toilets mean the bowl and the tank are 2 separate pieces that connect during installation. It took us about an hour to install this toilet ourselves, though keep in mind that we had previous experience installing toilets. Regardless, the instructions were clear and easy to understand. Because it came in two parts, the tank had no internal valve mechanisms or flapper to install, streamlining the process. Once installed, the toilet works well. The flush is powerful. And still, after 3 months of testing, the toilet is still like new, with no signs of wear or tear. It performs the same from day one, easily removing all waste with one flush. We noted that the flush sound of this toilet is noticeably louder than our previous toilet, but we didn't think this was a deal breaker. For anyone considering a taller toilet, the Kohler Highline is for you. It boasts a comfortable elongated seat and is 17 inches tall, which is 2 inches higher than standard toilets. Because of this, we recommend testing the height to ensure it works for you before purchasing. And finally at number 1, we have the Swiss Madison Street Tropez Elongated Vortex Toilet. The Swiss Madison Street Tropez one-piece toilet has a fully skirted design that offers a more modern look. We used this toilet for 3 months in a home that's being renovated and it still stayed in great condition. We had a professional install this pick, who shared that it was easy to install, especially since the toilet is a single 120-pound piece. Once installed, the ceramic toilet was smooth and easy to clean. That being said, after having it for months, we find ourselves frequently cleaning it with harsh toilet cleaners and a brush to scrub it down. We appreciated that the toilet has a seat and lid as some options don't. Both are fully removable via a quick release mechanism, making cleaning those parts a cinch. A soft close mechanism on the lid is a nice bonus as you won't need to worry about the toilet slamming shut. A dual flush mechanism conserves water since you can choose the strength of the flush. While we didn't experience any clogs or need to double flush, we noted that the flush felt weak and we weren't impressed with the strength of the higher level flushing. If you're on a budget and don't want to spend thousands on a toilet, this Swiss Madison one-piece toilet is very well built, robust, and sturdy. It can withstand much use in unfavorable environments, all at a reasonable price point. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.